Hi guys, I get asked a lot about 60 kilohertz cavitation machines, smaller compact machines. So I am really happy to do an unboxing of two smaller, really cute 60 kilohertz cavitation machines that have LED light therapy. So that's what today's video is about. It's an unboxing and a demo on 60K Cavitation. If this has sparked your interest, I'm Joan Johnson, and this is Beauty Over 50 on a Budget, where I do body sculpting, body contouring, and sprinkle in a little bit of anti-aging and skincare. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, I get asked all the time about different levels of cavitation, and I did a video just on cavitation and the different strengths that you can get cavitation machines in. So this is going to be a demo on two 60K cavitations, and I haven't even unboxed them yet. So I'm going to unbox them, I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Both of these machines are from MyChway, and they sent them to me so that I could demo them on my channel. So it comes in a really pretty purple box. And this is how it comes. It has a user manual, which a lot of the salon, the bigger salon quality machines don't usually come with a user manual. So I thought that was really good that they have a user manual. And it's a very simple little machine. The handle is pretty small, and now this is the 2.5 version. So this is really cool because then you can just put your hand in it like this and move it around. So I like that already. I like it that it's affordable. It's under $100. So that's it. It just comes with the machine. And this is the cavitation machine itself. It's really small and lightweight, and then it comes with the power cord. So it plugs in right here on the bottom. So it plugs in right there on the bottom, and the handle does the same. So it's actually taking me longer to unwrap the cord than it is to set the machine up. Okay, and then this just plugs in to this port right here. And then this little thing just screws on to hold your handle plugged in. So it just screws right on. So the hardest part about this whole thing so far has just been unwrapping the cord. Okay, so I got it all plugged in, and I got my cord unwrapped. That took the longest, is unwrapping the cord. And then I'm going to take this little protective plastic piece off the cavitation head. And it just sits just like that. Super cute little cavitation device. Very lightweight. It has the on-off switch back here, so I'm just going to turn it on. And it powers up. And this one has a digital. So you can turn it up, you can see, and it also has the 9 different levels. The timer up and the timer down, and then start. And like I said, it comes with a user manual. A lot of user manuals that you get with some of these machines can be a little bit difficult to understand, but this one is really user friendly, and I highly suggest that you read it if you purchase this machine. So like I said, this is a 60K. Now I want to see what it sounds like when I put ultrasound gel on my arm. Same loud, high-pitched squeal. So I like it that you can hold the handle between your fingers. So this is a really great because it doesn't sound loud in my inner ear. So I would think that if you have a problem with cavitation bothering your inner ear and causing tinnitus, that this might be a good alternative for you because it's not loud. It's not a loud high-pitched squeal. It's just a buzzing sound, and it's not loud at all. And I have it turned up completely to level 9. So that's really awesome. So if you're looking for a cavitation machine that's compact and small, super cute, 60K, this might be something that you might want to check into because it has the LED light therapy as well as being a 2.5, so it's not going to bother your inner ear. Now, a 60K cavitation machine is not going to be as strong as a 40K or a 30K. So if you have smaller areas of fat, then this might be a good choice for you. I have larger areas of fat, so I would need to go to 40 and 30K for my cavitation. Okay, let's unbox the other machine. This is also a super cute box. It's kind of a peachy and blue. This is an even smaller cavitation machine. It has a booklet as well. The handle is about the same size as the other one, but the cavitation is even smaller. So it's super cute. This has a different cord from the other machine. So let's see. Where the other machine plugged in from the bottom, this one plugs in from the back. So this one is even more simpler than the first one to put together. Plug this in. Take the plastic off the cavitation handle. Always remember to take the plastic off. So the handle just sits right here. And then just plugs in the back. Super easy. Just like the other cavitation machine. And then just screws on. So this is super cute. So the other one had an on and off switch in the back. This one does not. This one you just plug in. So when you plug this in, it automatically comes on and powers up. And it has the knob that turns the power up. And it has 9 different levels. Then it has the timer down and the timer up, and then start. Then you can see that it has the photon light. And then it just sits back there on the top. Super cute and lightweight. Some ultrasound gel on my arm. See how this one sounds. This one you can barely hear. This one doesn't have a loud high-pitched squeal either. I can hear the buzzing, but not, it doesn't seem as strong even though it's a 60K. This one also comes with a user's manual. Super easy to understand. Self-explanatory. This one is by far the easiest one that I've used so far. So let's compare them side by side. So they're both really cute. You can see that this one's a little bit bigger than this one. They're both under $100. They're super cute. This is a 2.0 60 kilohertz cavitation with photon. This is a 2.5 60 kilohertz cavitation with photon. So I really like the ergonomic feel of the handles because you can just put them over your fingers. This one is a little bit bigger and heavier. So the pink and white one's a little bit heavier than the gray and white one. The blue and white one. The handles are the same size. The cavitations is the same size, but it seems like the pink and white one's a little bit heavier than the blue and white one. It's kind of blue and gray and white. The blue and white one has the cords coming out the back here. And the pink one, the cords plug in on the bottom. And it has a power switch on the back. Where the blue and white one just automatically comes on when you plug it in. The pink one has the digital power increase and decrease, where the blue one has the knob that you turn that increases the power and decreases the power. They both have digital times where you can turn the timer up and turn the timer down, and it stops automatically. The blue and white one, the smaller version, I can barely hear when I put it on my arm, where the pink and white one, the 2.5 version, it wasn't a high-pitched squeal, but I could hear the humming in my inner ear. So if you're looking for a cavitation device and you can't use the 40K or the 30K, you might want to try the 60K because it won't bother your inner ear. At least I couldn't barely hear it in my inner ear. So that might be something that would work for someone who has problems with tinnitus and the high-pitched squeal that cavitation does in your inner ear. These two little cavitation machines are their top sellers. So that's why they sent them to me, so that I could demo them on my channel. And I think these are really cute. I do think that 60K works better for smaller areas of fat. So if you have little pockets of fat that you just can't seem to get rid of with diet and exercise, this might be a good option for you. This would also be a good option if you are very sensitive to the high-pitched squeal that cavitation machines cause. They can cause tinnitus in your inner ear, and these don't seem to do that. I ran it along my arm and I couldn't even hear it. I could just hear a buzz. It wasn't a high-pitched squeal, so I thought that was really cool. Super cute design, lightweight and compact. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.